Hi, this is David and Kelly, and welcome to our home. So Kelly, are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, well, it's that time again. It's time for the big question. And this week we have people asking us, what are some common items found on an inspection report?
I think that's a great question. And today we have a special guest. This is Isaac Smith. He's with Home Done Right, and he's an inspector. And so we're going to pitch that question over to you.
Yeah, so some of the things we see in basically every home are like rust inside the garbage disposal, or a damper clamp that's not present in the fireplace, or like sealant around the shower walls that are just cracked and whatnot. And these are things that we see in basically every home, like I said, and it's just very common things that we probably need to get addressed with like a honey-do list or something like that. But then there's times when in houses like there's a roof leak or there's some concerns with the foundation. So those would be more major types of things, and that's where you kind of step in. During the walkthrough, I kind of give the client an idea of what would be more minor, what would be a little bit more important, and then you're able to negotiate with the sellers and kind of help the client get the best house possible.
That's really good information, because I know that the inspection report can be rather overwhelming sometimes, and it's good. I would guess that final walkthrough with you would be a really benefit to the buyer, because that way they'll know, what they need to focus on and what's just like you said, a honey-do list. So thank you. That's great information, Isaac.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Well, if you have a topic for our video series, feel free to leave us a message below. We would love to hear your feedback. Well, thank you for joining us today, and stay tuned for the next big question.
See ya.